So this is the conversion to natural gas. It's pretty simple. You just use some hard, rigid duct tape. It's that aluminum tape stuff to wrap around the air to get the balance right, so you get a nice hot blue flame. It depends on your pressure how much air you have to restrict. But then this is a common problem on all of these, whether it's running on LP or natural gas, is that you have to collar this because there's so much wind that comes in, it'll blow that pilot out, because the pilot's only right here, the flame. And you need a collar to kind of protect it, and I kind of crimped it in a little bit. But this is for your LP or your natural gas, it don't matter.